Not really a big fan of doing unboxings on this channel, but every now and then I make an exception, and today is that exception. Today we are taking a look at the new Google Pixel 5 that Google sent over to me. Thank you very much, Google Team Pixel, hashtag team. So today we are unboxing the new Google Pixel 5. We'll take a quick brief look at it. I'm under embargo, I can only show so much. A new case for the Pixel 5 and the new Pixel Buds. Roll it.
Resume is a heavyweight, yeah. Put it on my back, give me everything, yeah. I need everything, I need all of everything, yeah.
All right, here they are. Pixel 5, all sealed up and ready to go. Pop that out the box. Here are the new Pixel Buds. We'll be checking those out. And here is a new phone case for the Pixel 5. I think we should start off with the Pixel 5. That's what everybody's here to see. Hashtag Team Pixel. Now I'm hearing a lot about the texture on this phone, so I'm very curious. This is the Sorta Sage color, and I was hoping they were gonna send this one. I didn't know if they were gonna send this or the black one, and I'm glad they sent this one. Very rarely do I find myself buying colored phones. I usually just go for a black or a gray or a white. This is a very nice color and it's a very nice texture. You got your fingerprint sensor here on the back. You got your dual camera setup. You have your wide and your ultra wide. Volume rocker and power button are on the right side. Nothing on the left. USB-C charger, speakers. Full screen with a little hole punch in the top left corner for your camera. So far with all the attempts to hide the front facing camera, this is probably my favorite, just off in the top left corner. I never notice it up there and it basically feels like you have a full screen smartphone. Normal booklets, throw those to the side. USB-C to USB-C quick charger and USB to USB-C adapter. All right, while this is powering on, let's check out the new phone case for the Pixel 5. That's a unique color. Okay. We also have wireless charging on the Pixel 5. This is also the first Android phone shipping with Android 11. And because it's a Google phone, stock Android, you're always gonna get your updates first. As far as build quality goes, I gotta say, it's very nice, feels great. Great texture. I love the material they used on the back. Feels like a solid phone. It doesn't feel like a hollow piece of plastic. This feels like it's dense all the way through. I like it. We got a 6-inch Amoled display. Things are looking good. It's a nice phone. No headphone jack. You do get that on the Google Pixel 4a 5G, and you also get it on the Google Pixel 4a. But the Google Pixel 5, they decided to get rid of it, which brings us to our next unboxing, which is the Google Pixel Buds. Nice case. Has like a sort of rubbery grip. The lid, very solid, nice snap to it. All right, this is the right one. Let's pop this right in. Oh, okay. That's actually pretty comfortable. Wow, all right, that's comfortable. For me, this fit is more comfortable than the AirPods Pro. I do like the fit of the AirPods Pro. I didn't like the fit of the original AirPods. One ear hole must be a little bit bigger than the other, so one kept falling out. You got your USB-C charger on the bottom, and I think, so we do have battery share with the Google Pixel 5, so all you have to do is come into your settings, enable it, put your phone face down, put your new Pixel Buds right on top. You hear the sound, you see the light, we're all set, good to go. So I will be having a full review on the Google Pixel 5. Right now I'm currently under embargo, but you will see that video on October 15th. So if you are not yet subscribed, please do so. I'd appreciate it highly. We're also gonna be doing a separate video on all the camera stuff only. Nothing really to do with the Pixel 5 itself. We just wanna test out the cameras, get some nice photos, get some nice video, see how it does with B-roll. We got 4K up to 60 frames per second, and we have that ultra wide angle lens, so we'll see what we can do with it. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you are not yet subscribed, wait, I said that already. All right, my people, until next time, enjoy your day, your night, and tomorrow morning. solo.
Everything, man. Everything, man. Everything, everything, everything. Yo, it's the everything, man. Everything, man. Everything, man. Everything. Hey, yo, I want everything. I want everything. That's on everything. It's like a wedding ring.